Hey everybody, welcome back. I got something kind of unusual that I found while hunting around in a surplus store. This is the Swedish Army Will-Do plastic mess kit. Alright everybody, welcome back. So this is another one of those finds that I found in a surplus store. Thought it was kind of very unique and unusual. It's something I've never seen before. And I thought I'd bring it to you guys and show you. I think I paid $9 for it, which is probably too much, but who knows. It was kind of cool and I like it. So this is a Swedish Army Will-Do plastic mess kit. I believe it was designed by a Swedish Army survival instructor. It comes with pretty much everything you need in a compact box to be able to eat and prepare food while you're out. It doesn't have silverware. I don't know if it's missing or not. There's supposedly a second cup in here that isn't in here. So I don't know if this is a complete set, but it's definitely complete enough to do some cool stuff with it, and definitely complete enough to use to eat with. Now it's made of unbreakable, easy to clean olive drab molded plastic. It's neatly stored inside a flat oval shaped kit. It's got a nice interlocking system there that everything just kind of falls into place. You got a nylon cutting board with a strainer, a folding drink cup, a bowl. Both the lid and the bottom can be used as meal bowls. And the bottom bowl has a nifty little handle on the side there that you can use to hold when you're holding hot food, so you don't have to hold it in your hand. So let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Move the lighter out of the way there. Okay, there's your cutting board, and this is your strainer here. I'm not quite sure how effective that would be on a big pot of pasta, but it would definitely be cool for, just using it to put over a cup like this and strain. So there you go. It does have a little bump here. I assume that's just to fit everything in, but I would cut with it flat on a surface like that. So, cool little thing, okay? This is your top lid here. You can eat out of that. I haven't washed this yet. The only thing I washed was the Condiment Dispenser, so I'm going to wash this out before I actually use it, because who knows where it's been. But I kind of like the cover. That's kind of, I would guess this was produced sometime in the late 80s or late 70s or early 80s. Okay, this is your cup. Now, there is supposed to be a second one of these somewhere in here. I don't know where it is. But anyway, this is the cup here. Now, this looks kind of weird, kind of short, but check this out. You fold this thing up, and it's almost this thick, rubberized kind of plastic. I thought that was kind of neat. And it folds down in there so it fits in there. Here's your bowl. That could be used for soup, for anything. For measuring out stuff, it does have graduation marks there. 1, 2, and 3. Here's your condiment dispenser. Now this I did clean out and fill. So what I have here, there's 3 sections. I have a salt and pepper, I have a garlic salt, and I have onion. And to use them, essentially when you take this off, and it's quite a struggle to get it off, when you take this off, there'll be 3 little covered compartments. You take the covers off them and fill them with whatever you want. To use these, you'll simply open up the bottom here. Let me do it this way so I don't make a mess. Real simple. So I mixed my salt and pepper together. That way I can use that together. And a little onion and a little garlic. I figured that's the most common stuff that I'd be using when I was out. And of course your bottom bowl here. And as I said, it's kind of dirty inside there. I haven't washed it out yet. And this is your little holder should this be something hot. So for like eating MREs or something like that, I think this would be a pretty cool system. Again, you can't cook in it. And I understand some people are going to be like, what's the point? I can't cook in it. I can just eat out of my pan. Well, you can, but if you're cooking with 2 people, it's really kind of hard to do that. Now, this weighs a little bit under a pound, I think 0.67 pounds. It's a small, compact kit. It's really kind of handy. And honestly, the main reason I got this was to use it in the channel when I'm cooking stuff and when I eat in here. I want to put it all in camera so you see. So that's a whole lot of stuff that fits in that little tiny kit. And it's also very convenient for backpacking or camping or even a bug-out bag. I mean, you could probably toss a little mini stove in there, carry your isobutane or some kind of wood stove, and use this pretty much anywhere you go. And it also separates your stuff, so you're not eating out of the food, the plates that you're cooking in. They're not hot, they're not right off the fire. Kind of convenient. One of the things I wanted to see is how well this would stand up to hot coffee. So I do have some hot coffee inside. I'm going to fill it up and bring it out here and show you. So you can see the steam coming off it. That is hot coffee. It does get a little more malleable, but not a problem to use at all. Easy to drink out of. I thought maybe having this weird kind of lip that shapes upward it would be hard to drink out of, but it's not. Easy to drink out of. Seems to hold up well. No problem with it at all. So let me dump that out, or drink it, And we'll pack all this back up together again after I wash it, and I'll show you how easily this all packs down. All right, rinsed it all out. This was a lot dirtier than I thought. I'm glad I didn't eat in it first. But yeah, I just rinsed it all out with some soap and water. It comes really clean. Yeah, I was rinsing out the top part here, and it's just like, I looked at the water and I poured it out. It was all brown, a little dusty. It's probably been sitting on the shelf for a long time. So anyway, let me explain to you how this packs back down again. So it's real simple. You're going to put your spices in here. Make sure those are on good. I guess over age, they could probably get a little weak. You're going to place this here, like that. Okay, with the handle over the top. You're going to fold this back down. Really simple. Okay. Drop it in there. You're going to put your cutting board up top here. And literally just put the lid back on it. And that's it. It's done. All set and ready to go for your next adventure. So that is the Swedish Army Will-Do Plastic Mess Kit. That's the only name I could find for it, honestly. This is made by Renee AB. Okay. This is, I guess, an original one made in Sweden. I guess there's others that are kind of copies of it or whatever. But I'm definitely pleased with it. I'll be using it in the channel. You'll definitely see me portioning out meals and cutting stuff up on it because I want to give it a try. And it also makes it a lot easier for me here doing cooking videos too. So anyway, folks, I thank you for watching today. I do not have a link on where to purchase this, but you can find them all over the web. They're in the $14 to $20 range depending on which ones you buy and which ones they have. I think, like I said, I think I paid $9 for this. It was a fairly inexpensive deal. So definitely a cool little thing I thought I'd bring to you guys. Maybe something that you'd be interested in. So again, no link, but definitely a cool little item to check out. Don't forget to check out our links down below. We have our Amazon affiliate store, as well as our freeze-dry wholesalers link. If you use that link, you're going to save a percentage off on your sales. There's no code to use if you use that link. I had somebody get confused and say that it wasn't accepting the code, when in reality, the link is the code. You click it. When you go to checkout, you'll see your discount, Iridium 242. You'll save money on that right there. They have tons of different freeze-dried foods, so check them out. Don't forget to check out our My Patriot Supply as well. That's preparewithiridium.com, preparewithiridium.com. I know I speak fast sometimes, so I repeat it. And our Thrive Life link as well if you're interested in getting started on that. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.